Hi, welcome along everyone to today's video. Today we're looking at stopcocks. Yes, these little blighters here. Now a lot of you have written in and said they've got jammed stopcock, just can't turn it, it's gone completely solid. I've got lots of videos on trying to free these up, make them turn like this brand new one. Obviously it's really nice and easy, it's brand new. And you've seen those, I assume, where mainly you try and unpack the gland a little bit maybe here and see if it will turn, but putting grips on it and trying to ease it back and forwards, but to no avail. So what else can you do apart from renewing that stopcock, which may be in a real difficult, horrible position, where you can either A, turn the main stopcock out in the road and put the stopcock above the old one in a more accessible place so that it is easier to turn the new one, just leave the old one where it is. But if it is fairly accessible, then another good idea is to see whether the top of a stopcock fits, because you can get a new stopcock anyway, which you're going to renew. But if you could get the water off out in the road or in your garden, wherever the main stopcock is, so the water's off, then what you can try before cutting a pipe above or trying to fit a new stopcock is seeing whether the head fits, because a lot of people don't realise that these headsets come off. There is a break here, and if I show you, you'll see that it undoes from the head there. Now a lot of people have not realised this, and that means that you can take the tap out. And if this was the body of your old tap in the cupboard, and you may be lucky that this top fits, you know, unscrew, make sure that's always back down the thread. I had it out there just to show you. So make sure if it does fit, you don't cross it, don't try and force it. If it won't go, then it more likely is not the right threads. Okay, if it's a really old stopcock, it's more likely it won't fit. But what I'm saying to you is it won't harm to just take that top off and try it and see whether that one will fit your old stopcock body. If it doesn't, there's nothing to lose. Just put the old stopcock head back on, tighten it right up, and put this one either A, above it, where you're more accessible if that's the case, or if you can obviously undo this stopcock in position by undoing the nuts top and bottom here, and getting it out of the pipe and getting it on, which is a rather awkward job because it's usually stuck between two very short pieces of pipe normally, and you can't kind of get it out of the stopcock itself. It's very difficult. If it's plastic coming in, it's a bit easier, because plastic you can pull it down and that will release it, so you can change the whole body of the tap. But these stopcocks are not expensive. This one's a 22mm one I'm showing you, just by the way, but most of them are 15mm for the mains, and if you've got to buy it anyway, they're only about 6 to 8 quid a stopcock, or there was anyway. And you can get one of these, and if worst comes to worst, to say the headgear doesn't fit, then you still got to change it anyway, or get someone in to do it for you if you're a bit faint-hearted about doing it. Okay, but it's just a little tip from me about the headgear on a stopcock, that you can say go for a change and see whether that fits or not. When you do it, by the way, make sure that the washer is on there. That washer's missing off there. There should be a fibre washer on there. It's gone where I've been undoing this tap on and off. It flew off somewhere. If you haven't got anything on there, then PTFE tape right around it. Okay, good couple of turns of that to make up the washer there. Other than that, that's about it though. Worth a go, and something that was brought to my attention by quite a few of you doing homeworks at the moment, falling over at the very first hurdle because you can't even get the water off because the stopcock is jammed solid. Okay, I'll put links up to all my other videos where I do try to free these stopcocks and show you how to do them, just in case, so you can have a go at least if you are really stuck. Okay, but other than that, that's it. All my stuff, you know where to go. Usual place, Derek and 33. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.